will guide you through how to restore photos from iCloud on your iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. There are two different ways you can do this. So the first way is go to your settings app, then go to the top and click your name to get your Apple ID in iCloud settings. Then what you want to do is go and click on iCloud, and then in apps using iCloud, click on photos, and what you can do is then go and re-enable this. What this will then do is going to start backing up your iPhone to iCloud, and it will also go and put iCloud photos into your iPhone gallery. So what you can do is switch that on. It will go and say turning on. Then what's going to happen is it's going to go and sync. I'll go and press sync now. That's fine. And then what's going to happen as your photos on your iPhone will upload, and also the photos in iCloud will be then available. If for whatever reason, though, you don't want to go and turn this on, there's just a few specific iCloud photos or videos you wish to go and restore, then what you can do is close out of your settings and open your web browser, click on your address bar, and then you need to type in iCloud.com. Scroll down and go and locate photos, and you can then go and click on it. Click on select in the top right, and you can go and select the photos you wish to go and download. After you have done that, you can then click on the three dots in the bottom right, and you can go and click on download 3 items. You can click on download like so, and it will then go and download it as a zip file. And if you don't want to get them back in your Photos app, all you need to do is going into your downloads, click on this here, it will go and create a zip file. But if you go and click on it, it will go and unzip it into a folder. And then here are the photos, and then all you need to do is click on the 3 dots in the top right, click on select go, and select the photos, and then click on the share button in the bottom left and click on save 3 images, and that will then save them back to camera roll. As you can see here, they're at the bottom. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and a comment.